Tired of sugary snacks? Get ready to transform simple ingredients into vibrant, nutritious frozen treats that are as fun to make as they are to eat. These healthy fruit and yogurt pops are about to become your new favorite. These aren't just any popsicles. We're talking about creamy, dreamy, healthy fruit and yogurt pops packed with goodness. They're perfect for kids and adults alike, offering a refreshing burst of flavor. Forget store-bought options with hidden sugars. Today, we're making our own, customizing every delicious layer. Get ready to unleash your inner frozen treat artist. The foundation of our pops is fresh, vibrant fruit. Choose a variety to ensure you're getting a wide array of essential vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. Think berries for antioxidants, mango for tropical sweetness, or kiwi for a zesty kick. Whole pieces of fruit can also add a delightful texture to your pops. Your choice of yogurt is crucial for that irresistibly creamy texture. Opt for full-fat varieties with live active cultures for the best results. Brands like Fage or Chobani Greek yogurt work wonderfully. Avoid low-fat or skim options as they often contain extra thickeners that can lead to an icy or chalky texture when frozen. Want to supercharge your pops? Incorporate amazing superfoods. Spinach adds iron and vitamins A and K, while spirulina boosts protein and iron. Beet powder can enhance energy and muscle recovery. These additions not only boost nutrition, but also create stunning, vibrant colors. Sweetener makes a big impact on flavor and texture. I highly recommend natural options like honey, maple syrup, or agave nectar. These natural sweeteners balance the tartness of fruit and yogurt beautifully. A touch of vanilla extract can also add wonderful depth of flavor. Creating layered popsicles adds an element of surprise and visual appeal. The trick is to allow each layer to set before adding the next. This ensures distinct colors and flavors, and also gives your popsicles a stronger, more stable structure. Gently tap your mold after each pour for easier removal later. To achieve that perfect creamy consistency, gently stir your yogurt mixture as it begins to set. This helps prevent large ice crystals from forming. Adding a splash of milk or a non-dairy alternative like coconut milk can also enhance the melt and mouthfeel. Experiment to find your ideal creaminess. Don't have fancy popsicle molds? No worries, small paper cups and wooden sticks work just as effectively. Simply pour your mixture into the cups, cover with aluminum foil, and insert a stick through the foil. The foil acts as an ice guard to keep the stick stable. Once your pops are frozen solid, you have a couple of storage options. You can keep them in their plastic molds for short-term storage. For longer-term freshness, transfer them to an airtight freezer bag. Ideally, enjoy them within a month for the best taste and texture. The possibilities for flavor combinations are endless. Mix berries and bananas, or go tropical with mango and pineapple. Experiment with different yogurts and superfoods for unique creations. These healthy fruit and yogurt pops are a delicious, nutritious, and fun treat for any time of year. They're packed with vitamins, protein, and probiotics, making them a smart snack choice. Now it's your turn. Grab your favorite fruits and yogurt and start blending. Make these vibrant, healthy pops today and share your colorful creations with us in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more delicious DIY recipes.